Hey guys, welcome to Coders Project. It's Abhay here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how do you get the stock details using Python. We have to import yfinance module. To install yfinance module, you just have to open your terminal or the command prompt and then type pip3 install yfinance and then press enter. So this should get done in couple of seconds or about a minute. Now we have to import yfinance. To make it simpler, I'll just name it as fi or yf. Now I'm going to be defining the ticker symbol. So this is basically just going to take the stock price, stock's name. So let us take Google stock, so which is GOOGL, and then we're going to get the data from this ticker. So ticker data equals yf dot ticker and then our ticker symbol, which is our stock name. And now we have to get the historical prices for this ticker. So for that, ticker df equals ticker data dot history period. I'll just set it to 1 day. Now the start, which is going to be 2020 September and 1st, and the end date is going to be 2020 September 2nd. Now we just have to run this, so I'll just print out ticker df. Let me just run this now. Okay, so we got the details over here. So on 31st of last month, the opening price was $1,643.57, and the highest price was $1,644.50. So we get all the details over here, and this was the amount of volume available on that day. And yesterday it was this much. The highest was 1659.22. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos. See you soon.